Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to change your mobile number in Amazon Seller Central. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. First things first, what we're going to do is open up the official Seller Central website. So here is sellercentral.amazon.com. This is the main URL that you want to open up. So once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is going to be the home page. From this home page, we can get started. In the upper right corner, we can get started logging into our Amazon Seller account. If you do not already have an account, what you want to do is sign up for one. So go ahead and sign up for an account if you need one. If you already have one, just log in, and once you're logged in, now we can get started with changing our phone number. So once you're logged in guys, now you'll be greeted by the dashboard right here. This is your Amazon Seller Central dashboard from where we can get started managing it. It's going to look something like this, where you can access your catalog, your inventory, orders, and so on. All of the info is going to be available right here, and now we can get started. So as you can see here, we have an article in the official Seller Central of somebody asking how to change our mobile phone number, and here we have the answer what we have to do. Basically guys, in Seller Central, we're going to go into settings, we're going to open up login settings from there and advanced security settings, and then edit that. So here we have the settings option in our Seller Central that we're going to click. Once you open it up, you're going to open up your login settings and then click the edit option to get started with changing your phone number. From there, you can get started with accessing the two-step verification settings or whatever option you need for managing your mobile number that you are using for your Amazon Seller account. From there, you can get started with changing it, editing it, doing whichever option that you need to get started with implementing your preferred options, and that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.